Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to fade out audio in Audacity. So let's have a look now. Open your audio track in Audacity. Click and drag to select the part of the audio where you want the fade out effect to begin. Go to the effect menu and select fading, then fade out. Audacity will automatically apply the fade out effect to the selected section, gradually reducing the volume. Playback the track to ensure the fade out effect is as desired. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.